We're standing there with a $70 box of sports gear, but your door is too thick for the metal brackets. That is the absolute nightmare scenario for anyone trying to turn their bedroom into a mini sports arena. This dual hoop setup is incredibly flashy. It has those bright lights and those arcade sound effects that make every single shot feel like a buzzer beater in a championship game. We are looking at two steel breakaway rims. That is a big deal. Most of these over-the-door games use cheap plastic that snaps if you look at it wrong. This one feels different. It has a shatterproof backboard that is roughly 29 inches wide. It sounds like the ultimate setup for a home game room. But here is the reality check. You have to be a detective with a tape measure before you even think about buying this thing. I spent hours digging through feedback from real buyers across various stores. The pattern is impossible to ignore. If those brackets do not slide over your specific door, you are stuck with a very expensive piece of wall decoration. That is the most common complaint by far. People get excited. They tear open the box, and then they realize the hardware just was not designed for their specific home. It is a huge letdown. Then there is the electronic side of things. It uses sensors to track your score. This is great for head-to-head battles with friends or siblings. But those sensors can be a bit temperamental. Sometimes you sink a perfect three-pointer and the scoreboard stays at 0. Other times, it might give you points for a ball that just bounced off the rim. It is like having a referee who is daydreaming during the game. It is not a total deal breaker, but it is something to keep in mind if you are a serious competitor. And let us talk about the hidden costs. You're already dropping $70 on this thing, but you better have a pack of batteries ready to go in a drawer somewhere. They are not included in the box. Nothing kills the excitement faster than finishing a long assembly process, only to realize you cannot actually turn it on. Despite those quirks, when it is up and running, it actually delivers on that promise of a home arcade. The build quality on the rims and the backboard is actually quite impressive for the price point. It feels sturdy. It feels like it can handle a bit of aggressive play. You get 4 mini basketballs in the box. That is plenty for a fast-paced shootout. If you have the right door, and you do not mind the occasional phantom point on the scoreboard, it really does change the energy of the room. It brings that high energy, noisy, exciting feel of a boardwalk arcade right into your house. But if you just want to shoot some hoops without the flashing lights and the digital bells and whistles, you might want to look at something simpler. There are plenty of basic hoops out there that do not require a battery budget or a technical manual. This specific model is for the person who wants the full spectacle. Just do yourself a massive favor. Grab a tape measure. Check your door frame. If the numbers line up, you are probably going to have a blast. If they do not, you're just buying a headache in a cardboard box. I do these deep dives because I want you to know exactly what you're getting into. Marketing teams are great at making everything look perfect, but the reviews tell the real story. I would much rather keep things honest here instead of filling your ears with sponsored junk from companies that might be selling garbage. If this helps you avoid a bad purchase, or gave you the green light on a good one, then it was worth the time. Every bit of support for this show helps me fund the next investigation, so we can keep figuring out what is actually worth your money and what is just expensive marketing. Keep questioning everything, and I will see you in the next one.